Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on office supplies with Staples, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Staples website or the nearest Staples store. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Explore the promotions section on the website for current deals. Check for any coupons or discount codes available. Review the clearance section for additional savings on office supplies. Consider signing up for Staples Rewards to earn points on purchases. Check if your business qualifies for a business account for further discounts. Use the store locator feature to find the nearest location. Compare prices of items online and in-store to find the lowest options. Take advantage of price matching on eligible products. Look for bundle deals that offer multiple items at a reduced price. Purchase items in bulk if you can to save money over time. Keep an eye on weekly ads for ongoing sales. Add items you need to your online cart or create a shopping list. If shopping in-store, bring your shopping list to streamline the process. Finalize your purchase with any applicable discounts you found. Review your receipt to ensure all discounts were applied correctly. Take note of your savings to evaluate your spending on supplies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.